If you've been searching for a private family retreat with an abundance of space, unbeatable outlook, north aspect and connection to nature, this is one you won't want to miss. Offering highly desirable two-way views from Pittwater to the ocean and set in a peaceful pocket in one of Bilgola Plateau's most exclusive streets. This stunning residence backs directly onto Angophora Reserve, featuring a wide frontage, an incredible sense of privacy and surrounded by native bushland. The layout is generous and incredibly flexible, offering 6 bedrooms and multiple living zones across 2 levels, ideal for growing or multi-generational families. The main living area is warm and welcoming, with beautiful timber floors and sliding glass doors that draws the greenery into the heart of the home. From here, the interiors flow effortlessly to a wide wraparound balcony, perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing in the tranquil outlook. The kitchen has been designed for gatherings, featuring a large island bench, quality appliances and excellent storage, including a walk-in pantry and access to a covered entertainer's courtyard.
The oversized master suite is a true retreat, enjoying direct balcony access, a well-appointed ensuite and the luxury of 2 walk-in dressing rooms, offering both space and practicality rarely found in family homes. The lifestyle continues with glass-framed swimming pool, large spa and covered alfresco entertaining pavilion, complete with a double garage and an additional off-street parking. This is a substantial reserve-fronted family home offering privacy, scale and relaxed coastal living, just moments from Bilgola Plateau Public School, local shops and transport. This is a rare opportunity to secure a substantial sanctuary in one of the Plateau's most tightly held locations.